Shopify Dropshipping Tutorial 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Shopify and how you can start your dropshipping journey through this absolutely immaculate and amazing e-commerce software. So to start things off, we're going to come over to shopify.com, and once you're into shopify.com, we're going to create an account with it. So to create an account with it, what you're going to do is you're going to come down here and click on Start Free Trial, and it's going to take you into the store creation. Now, once you go into the store creation, it's going to tell you to get started, and it's going to ask you a few questions where it's going to say, which of these best describes you. You could go with, I'm just starting, I'm already selling online or in person. I'm going to go with, I'm just starting, and click on Next. Then it says, where would you like to sell? I'm going to click an online store and click on Next. And it says, what do you plan to sell first? I'm going to go with Dropshipping Products and click on Next. Once we do that, it says, where will your business be located? You're obviously going to add in your business location. So in my case, it's Pakistan, and you can go ahead and add, whatever location you have. And once you do that, it's going to bring you here where it's going to ask you to sign up with these different ways. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up with email. And I'm simply going to go ahead and add an email for myself and sign in with that. So I'm going to go ahead and be using a temp mail for now. You don't necessarily need to follow this step. You can simply go ahead and use any other email that you have. But I'm going to go with this, okay? And once we're over here, let me show you what to do from here. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to be adding your password in this section. And once you add your password, you're simply going to click on Create Shopify Account. Now, once you're creating your Shopify account, it's going to ask you for your password again. So you're going to make sure to reconfirm it and reassure it. And once you reassure your password, what's going to happen from there is it's going to directly log you in. So when it logs you in, let me show you what the interface looks like. So once you come over here, it starts loading and the screen starts loading. And what happens from there is it's going to bring you to building your store. So once it brings you to building your store, what's going to happen from there is you are going to be taken into this section, which is basically your basic dashboard. Okay. Now, once you're in your dashboard, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be downloading some application, which will basically allow you to, start your drop shipping. So in my opinion, I would always suggest users to go with some application like CJ Dropshipping or maybe Spocket or Deezers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be adding CJ Dropshipping for myself. So for that, we're going to click on Add Apps and we're going to click on Shopify App Store. Now, once you click on your Shopify App Store, it's going to basically load things in and it's going to bring you here. Now, once you are over here, what you're simply going to do is you're going to search up CJ. Just search up CJ. You can write dropshipping if you want to, but I'm just simply going to search up CJ. Once you search up CJ, it's going to bring you here where it says CJ Dropshipping much faster. Now, once you go here, you're going to click on Open App. And once you click on Open App, from there, it's going to start authorizing things where it's going to bring you here. It's going to ask you to agree the terms. We're going to click on login and authorize. If you have an account, you're going to do that. Or if you don't, you're simply going to go ahead and sign up. Sign up process is pretty simple. You're going to add an email. Then you are going to go ahead and add a password for yourself. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly add a password. I'm going to confirm this password as well real quick. There we go. And once you do that, you're going to agree to their terms and click on next. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for a username. Just add anything random, to be honest. Then you're going to add your name. You're going to add your phone number. And once you do that, you're going to click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, it's going to start loading you in. And once it starts loading you in, it brings you here to a user questionnaire where it says, which platform are you running your store on now, which is obviously Shopify. I'm going to choose how many orders I process and what categories do I work in. And once we do that, we're going to submit things and it's going to load us here where it says authorization is now a success. So once your authorization is a success, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead into your store over here. And from here, what we're going to want to do is we're going to go to the main CJ dashboard where we are going to start accessing all the dropshipping products. So if we scroll down here, you're going to see all these things, different products to work with, different products to choose from, and, really fun stuff that you can add for your design. So it's all these things that are going to allow you to start working with your dropshipping maneuvers. So once we're over here, let's say I'm going to go ahead with a few products like this. Let's go with a Night Galaxy projector. Once we go with that, you're going to go with this, okay? It's a DIY stainless steel flask. And then let's go with some heated men's puffer jackets. So I'm going to load all three of these in. And once we load all three of these in, we're going to scroll down here. And as you scroll down, it's going to, take you into loading. So I'm just going to wait for it to do that. And once it's loaded in, what you're going to do from here is you're simply going to click on list. And once you click on list, it's going to bring you here. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and enter your store name. You're going to tell them where it's shipped from, where it's shipped to. And once all of that is done, you're pretty much good to go. So you're just going to wait for it to, process your authorization. And that's pretty much about it. So once your authorization is processed, as I stated, you're simply going to click on list. And once you click on list, it's going to ask you to enter your store name. Now, in the case that it says that no data is entered on your store, you're simply going to go ahead and click on My CJ. And once you click on My CJ, it's going to take you into your CJ Dropshipping dashboard. Now, once you go into your CJ Dropshipping dashboard over there, it's going to load you into this section. And once you're loaded into this section, what's going to happen is you're going to scroll down where it says store authorization. You're going to click on this and you're going to click on Shopify. And once you click on Shopify, it's going to open things up over here. And as you can see, my store is properly integrated. So now it's going to tell me that my store is good to go. So once you have chosen your store, I'm just going to get out of this. And now we're going to click on list once more. And once everything is done, I'm going to add my recommended listing pricings. And once all of that is done, you're going to select the store to ship to, the place where the orders are essentially going to go. And once all of that is done, you're going to start drop shipping your products. And once you drop ship your products, all those will appear in your product section over here. So let me show you what the outlook of these will look like. So again, once this loads up, it's going to verify that your store has been properly authorized. And once your store is authorized, simply, as I stated, you're going to click on list. It's going to give you all of this. Make sure that your store's data is properly entered. Once your store data is entered, you're going to add in the shipping information. Click on recommend listing prices. You're going to click on listed now. And once you click on listed now, from there, it's going to bring you here to your Shopify store where it's going to start adding all of the products that you are working with. It's going to add all of your necessary products and you're basically going to be good to go, So that's pretty much about it. Now, once that is done, what's going to happen from there is you simply go ahead and use your products, add it to your stores. And once you add it to your stores, you're going to start getting your orders from different places. And once you get your orders from there, you're going to go ahead and, simply start drop shipping. And the thing is that the orders that you get are going to be seen over here. So once your orders are done, they're going to be seen in, orders over here. You can fulfill your orders, adding different inventories, you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.